As a photographer myself, I absolutely love the great outdoors. With this all-in-one camera and video camera with this device, I can take pictures and videos of just about anything, and it looks like a handheld device, which makes it a unique and inconspicuous item to use just about anywhere. What I like a lot about this is, first of all, the size of it, how lightweight it is, and you can put it right in your pocket. Another great thing about it is that this thing is absolutely amazing. The quality that you get with such a small product is just absolutely breathtaking. And above all, no one really knows it's a camera, or even furthermore, a video camera. So you can go ahead and take pictures and take videos of just about anything out there without anyone giving you the dirty look. This is a very interesting camera for you to use because you see it as if it is real. Now the great thing about this is you can find the most interesting things for you to take pictures on, and then you turn this on very easily on the side over here as well. The green shows that it is on, and then all you do is snap the pictures. So you find something that is really interesting for you to snap a picture of, you close up to it, press on it, and it snaps the picture. Just never know what things you're going to be encountering, and well, and sometimes the most interesting sight is right up in the clouds or in the tree and so on. What makes it fun is that you just never know what kind of things you will see in nature and you will snap a picture of. So even going through your garden, what's this? Let's take a picture of it as well. It is very simple to operate. You can do the video on the side, you can do the camera, and then all you have to do is to find what you want to take a picture of, make sure it's right in the frame, and just snap the picture. Now it is nice and sunny, so let's take a picture of the sun. The only thing about this is that you can't see what you already took the pictures of, but that's the fun that comes after. So you have the fun and enjoyment of just walking around, finding interesting things for you to snap a picture of, and then taking a picture of it, and later on you're going to be checking out and reviewing what came out and what actually didn't. Walking around whole entire yard with the camera, going to be finding, wow, this is a flower right here. I really like it, and let's go ahead and snap it as well. And then the whole entire flower field over here, let's go ahead and do that. This is going to be good. This looks amazing. Here's an interesting picture over here. We have a bunch of apples. So let's see what comes out when we go ahead and do this. Here is one apple. Here is another one. And a third one for the trifecta. And then we're going to be checking out and seeing which of those came out. So this is a great camera for you to go ahead and explore the great outdoors. I went ahead outside and I started snapping pictures of just about anything. As I went ahead and I kept on taking pictures, I was blown away by the performance of this specific camera. What makes it so great is that you no longer anyone knows that you actually have a camera on you. So it makes it a great thing to have in your pocket, snap pictures just about anywhere, and at the same exact time the performance of it is pretty good as well. The pictures themselves came out pretty good. As you can see over here, they are really nice, but keep in mind with the limitations of this camera. First of all, it's not great when it comes to low light. Another thing for you to keep in mind is if you're going to be doing videos, it is a little bit on the shaky side. So what I suggest for you to do instead, do not work with this, just put this in a location, press it on, make sure it is on a tripod, or even just hold it very good with your hand, and the pictures will gonna come up pretty good as well, including videos too. So if you're doing videos, working with it is not the best, because you can see this doesn't have something that stops the shaking. Other than those specific limitations, this camera is great. As you can see with the performance of the pictures, they come out pretty good. You can see a lot of different things, and you can go ahead and snap interesting things just about anywhere. I like how much it is lightweight. I like how different you can set the setting, and you can even do the manual setting with one of those different things that you can set around the ISO and other small things as well here. The pictures themselves are pretty good. I went and walked around and I snapped just about anywhere in a few different locations, and some of the pictures came up very good and others are not so great. The best part about this is that I was surprised by the quality that this camera can actually do. It can take pretty good pictures, and you can explore the great outdoors, and you no longer have to go ahead and keep on going back to your camera and figuring it out. Well, did I take it good? Did I take it bad? You're just gonna go ahead and spend time with your camera, totally enjoying the great outdoors, taking videos, taking snapshots, and having absolute amazing fun with this. I highly suggest this camera if you're going on a walk, on a beach, or just about anywhere else. It's a great camera for you to have, and as you can see with the performance of the camera itself, there was a lot of things that came out well and some of them not so well indeed. So it takes time for you to get used to understanding the limitations of this specific camera, but also it is much more fun than I anticipated, and I really enjoy having this camera around.